Hey guys, it is Nick here with the Decampers again, and today I'm having a few of my outlets on our Keystone Laredo that aren't working, and I believe the GFI in the outdoor kitchen's gone out. So I'm going to dig into that and see if we can repair this here at camp. Okay, so the outlets that aren't working, let me try to hold this camera a little bit better. The outlets that aren't working are, none of the outlets in the outdoor kitchen are working. My outlets at my end tables on the couch, which are here on the back of the trailer, they aren't working. I have hit the reset button and the test button. The test button seems like stuck, it won't push in, and the little red light won't come on. I went to the one in the bathroom just to kind of see what that was like. If I push on the red button, there's a good like pop sound and the red light comes on, kills power. Then I push the black reset button, works just fine, the red light goes off. As you can see, I'm pushing and there is no red light. So I believe because this outlet sticks out of the wall, it's not flush like all the other outlets, that this is not an RV particular or whatever type of outlet. So we're kind of camping near a small town, options are limited. So I ran to Walmart and I found this General Electric GFCI outlet. I wish they had it in black, but I'll just you know, when I'm in a location where I can get an exact replacement, then I'll go back with the black one. So I'm gonna open into this thing. I've got my breaker flipped off. There's no power to this outlet. This is my handy little tester. I've gone through and turned off all the breakers and checked all my outlets to make sure that I should not have any kind of power to my outlets. So let me get to it. Okay, first thing is I need to take the cover plate off. It's a flathead screwdriver. I hope you guys can see okay. Try not to lose any screws. Simple as that. Okay, so now my GFI is exposed, and looking at the size of it in there, it looks like it is a standard residential outlet. So now I can use either a Phillips or a flathead. And you know what? For the ease of it, I'm just going to use my big funky flathead if it'll fit. Those are some long screws. Jeez, really, look how long those screws are. I really hope this works because on our end tables, we usually have a couple little fans blowing. You know, our trailer's 50 amp 2 air conditioner, but at this site, it's only 30 amp is all they have available. So we can only run one air conditioner, which means having fans is much more important. Plus, oh yeah, side note, also, because these outlets are affected by this GFI, my outdoor kitchen's TV won't power up, and the living room TV won't power up. Thankfully though, the bedroom TV wasn't affected. Okay, I'm not an electrician, so don't take my word for it. I'm just gonna run my little tester around everywhere, just make sure this outlet is dead. It gives me a little beep when I pull out, but it also sometimes will give me a beep when I just touch it. So I checked it on other outlets when the power was on, and it really lights up red, flashing, strobing with a big beep, like beep, 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 beep. Okay, so we're gonna pull this dude out as much as I can. There's not a lot of room. And now let's open this new one here and compare, because I've never changed a GFC outlet out before. Okay, so far it looks you know, manufactured a little differently, but the depth and everything looks the same. The connectors on the sides look the same. So what I'm gonna do so that I don't screw this up is I'm gonna disconnect one wire, move it over to the new switch, one wire, move it over to the new switch, and just kind of see how that works out for me. Okay, got the outlet actually mounted with the spacer, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and use my original plate. You know what, actually I have no choice because the new one didn't come with another plate. Thankfully it's the same shape. So put my little faceplate screws back on. Of course they're a flathead, which is a pain. Like I said, I'm going to be replacing this when I'm in a location that I can get a matching outlet back to black. Okay, let's go inside, flip the breakers. Hi, monkey. David's in here doing the dishes while I repair electrical.
Hey guys.
Okay, super duper hot and muggy out there. Oh, okay.
I think I got lucky.
Yeah, David got the air conditioning side of this thing.
I don't normally like doing this, but I'll take it this time.
So I flipped my general electrical and my GFI just to, you know, be careful. So flip general back on, flip GFI back on. Whoops. Okay. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom. I'm just gonna kind of show you the original. So you hear that pop? The light came on. You hit reset, light goes off. The one outside would not do that. So now let's go check how I did on the new one. Okay. Back to the heat. Okay guys, this better work. And no lights coming on. Great. Let me get something to plug into it. Okay, got my little fan, and I'm telling you right now, I'm feeling like oh, crap. That wasn't my problem. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Plug the fan in. What do you think? I'm thinking the fan is not going to come on. And I'm right. Dang it. I do not know what the deal could be. Reset isn't doing anything. Test isn't doing anything. So, well, at least we learned how to change out a GFCI outlet. I might read some instructions and see if there's something I'm supposed to do. I have no idea. Well, that's really disappointing. Super disappointing. You know, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm not really frustrated because it wasn't hard, but I'm a little frustrated that that didn't work. So my next guess is to replace the actual breaker. And then if that doesn't work, it's probably going to be calling a RV repair service because, you know, I'm not trying to go without TV. Okay guys, well, if I can get this situated here pretty soon, I'll video, you know, how I'm fixing it or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, at least later I'll mention when it's fixed. So anyways, thanks for coming by again, guys. We appreciate it. Check us out on Instagram, DeCampersOK, And wish me luck on this. I'd really like to hang out in the air conditioning, watch a movie. Bye guys, hit that like and subscribe. See you next time.